Hello, today we're going to show you how to find a table tennis rubber. Um, the characteristics of table tennis rubber, or find a rubber very similar to the one you have, or like slightly different than the one you have. Go to our site www.ttracket.com. The site comes up. Hit the rubbers. So it brings up the rubbers page. And when it loads it up, you could see this button over here, compare rubbers. That's what you can use to compare different kinds of rubbers, right? And here's a little bit of shortcuts as to how to use the screens. Smooth rubber, long bibs, short bibs, anti. You could actually compare them one by one. So if you want only anti-spin, you could just select anti and filter out only the anti, and then hit the compare rubbers. You see the selection is completely narrowed down to a select few, and then again you could filter it out based on the make of it. Dr. Neubauer, right? You could just pick Dr. Neubauer to compare, which is kind of cool, right? Anyways, now going back to let me focus on the smooth, because we have a wide variety of them, and it's the most comparative sort of rubber, and I'm just going to pick particular variety of rubber. So let's say soft rubber, right? So we are going to pick soft. So we search, we're going to get all the soft rubbers over there. These are all the soft rubbers, right? Now, one of the soft rubbers I know is Donic Barracuda. So this is medium. Those are soft, right? So the task would be to find something similar to a Donic Barracuda big slime rubber. Say you have a Donic Barracuda big slime rubber. You want to go slightly faster or like slightly slower, or you want to find something that is of the same range. Here's where this kind of a task comes handy. First of all, I'm going to show you a little bit about like the rubber properties and like what it does, right? So the most important parameter of a rubber is not exactly the speed. The speed is very important. Fast rubber, speed is high, spin is very important. But one of the characteristics which is extremely important is the softness of the rubber, right? It falls into three categories: soft rubber, hard rubber, and medium rubber, right? So here are all the notes about what the rubber does. Pause the video and read it. So soft rubber basically has a high throw angle and very hard to block, and really easy to spin. Hard rubber, very easy to block, very fast, but very hard to generate spin unless you're an advanced player. But generates a lot of spin if you know how to spin. Medium rubber is between both of them. Good for block, good for shots, right? But then again, not extremely good for a block. So an advanced player would pick a hard rubber, and a beginner would pick a soft rubber. And read the properties in here, pausing the video. Here is the hard rubber. Pause the video and read what it does. Now going back to how to pick the rubber. So let's look at Donic Barracuda big slam, right? You look at spin 97, speed is 87, right? Control 71. So and it is soft. So we need to find something that is soft. But before that, one of the things you got to do is look at the spin and speed of the rubber, right? So speed is 87. So when you sort, you're generally going to soar on the speed, right? And then you're going to travel all the way to the rubber which you're looking for. 87. In this vicinity, you should see dark Barracuda somewhere. Barracuda big slide, right? So look here. Right next to it is Mitaku, Moristo are soft. 87 speed, spin 89. This is slightly less spinny, but almost the same speed, and a fast, in a soft rubber. So now you found a very similar rubber to Barracuda Big Slide. That is clear, right? Both are soft. Their speeds are identical. The spin is different, which means they are the same rubber, right? This one is soft and this one is soft plus. This is slightly more softer, right? Which means, this is going to be like more spinnier, etc., etc., etc. So now, if you had to find another soft rubber in that range, look, here is another soft rubber in the rough about same range. Another soft rubber in the rough about same range, right? And if you traverse this list forward or backwards, you can see other soft rubbers similar to Boost TS. This is a soft rubber, slightly faster, 89 and 96. And going forward, here's a soft rubber. Mitaku Nanos soft is 90 and 94. Right, you go one more level. Let's see if there are any soft rubbers. Soft rubbers will generally go away because it's getting faster and faster. It becomes a medium kind of a rubber. See, this is one of the fastest. Boost TC is one of the fastest soft rubbers. Calibra LT Sound. See, really fast. Donic Bluefire JP03 is probably the fastest. Now, whenever you compare the rubber, the main thing to look is like category. Now, if you go to medium, you gotta find a similar medium rubber. So let us try to find something in this list and try to find a rubber very similar to that. So let me just pick something. DHS Tinaric 3. No, Axiom Vega Europe. It's a medium rubber. 86 and 92. Say I want a much faster rubber that is on the medium range compared to, like, I have an Axiom Vega Europe. Let's say I have an Axiom Vega Europe rubber. I want to get something that is really faster than that. How do I go about it? I look at the speed. I sort the list, right? I sorted the list. Axiom Vega is at 86. Axiom Vega Europe. I need something really fast. So I go next page. I have to look for medium, right? Medium. Axiom Vega Japan is a really faster version of the other one by the same company, right? Now, if I need a little bit more faster, I need to find medium. Erstiga Boost TP is a really fast rubber compared to Axiom Vega Europe. And even the medium, there is like the calibration of hardness. So if you look at these numbers, 42.5, 39, 37.5, 47.5, 47.5 is almost hard, right? 35 to 40 is probably the medium, and if it's lower than that, it's like softer. So those numbers really help you. So let me find something really faster than that one. Here is one of the fastest, Stiga Calibra LT spin. It's a medium, 95 fast, 92 spin. So I could jump all the way from Axiom Vega Europe, which is 86.92, to a really fast medium rubber using the chart. This is how you use the chart. And if you need to do more research, you could use table tennis product research, table tennis DB. And how do you use the table tennis DB? You take the name of the thing, Axiom Vega Europe, put it in here. It'll give you a review chart, and it's really helpful. Pick out the review on table tennis DB and tell you a little bit more numbers about the particular blade. And it'll tell you medium, soft, what is it, how many. So using this, you could compare a little bit more. I hope you understood how to find the rubber and how to find it in a chart, how to sort it. Now, if you're looking for spin, let me pick a rubber, right? Stiga Mendo. And you want something really fat, spinnier than Stiga Mendo, but just about the same speed. So what do? Like, you sort it on speed again. Stiga Mendo is 71. You go up to 71. And then from there, you look for medium. You look for just about the same speed, but more spin. So here's a medium, 74, but really spinny. This is how you find the rubber. Hope this was useful to you. Thank you.